Hi, I'm Will Koberg with the Jan Ritchie team of Keller Williams Realty. I'd love for you to check out our property this weekend at 1330 Fernando Road in Frisco, Texas, 75035. This amazing 4-bedroom, 4-bath home features lots of green space in the community and has one story with hardwood floors, plantation shutters. It's over 3,000 square feet. But let's go check out this property and all the details. One of my favorite features about this home is in the kitchen, it's got this awesome Viking water filter that comes with the home. So you don't have to worry about getting water that doesn't taste good for your dog or your kids. Folks, as you can see, this yard is spectacular. There's plenty of space for a pool if you wanted to put one in, and you still have a play yard, which is great if you got kids. So if you want more information on this property or any of our listings, you can check them out at janritchie.com. I'm Will Koberg, and we'll see you on the next home tour. And remember, #WillSellsIt if you want to see more properties and videos that I've made. Take care.